there was high resistance to tetracycline, 100% everything for ciprofloxacin, which is very important in treating our enteric sepsis and bacteremia. 63% of Salmonella was resistant, and to ampicillin, 59%. Antimicrobial usage has become very common lately in Ghana, across the world I would say. People are misusing it for unusual purposes. It has also been used many times in the agro industries, in animal rearing particularly, which enhances the development of antimicrobial resistance. These resistance, when found in humans, will reduce our chances of treating infections caused by bacteria. So it is necessary to monitor the development, the resistance, and the spread of antimicrobial resistant bacteria from our agro industry, which feeds us, so that when there is a resistance in our human population, we may be able to trace the source and then know which antibiotics would be able to treat these organisms. So sample chicken meat sold in Kumasi, both imported and exported, to see how much resistant bacteria strains are inhibiting these or colonizing these bacteria, this meat. This study looked at Salmonella and very resistant E. coli and Klebsiella. In the scientific term, extended spectrum beta-lactamase producing E. coli and Klebsiella, or ESBL. And it was found that in Salmonella, there was high resistance to tetracycline, 100% everything for ciprofloxacin, which is very important in treating our enteric sepsis and bacteremia. 63% of Salmonella was resistant, and to ampicillin, 59%, or more than half. So if infection due to Salmonella originating from the poultry industry, it therefore means that treatment may be very challenging, especially when we don't know the antimicrobial resistant pattern of the isolate that is involved. And in the E. coli and the Klebsiella, up to 36% of all samples collected here were ESBL produced were extended spectrum beta-lactamase. This is up from 20% 2 years ago to 36% is huge, all right? And it was found that in the local poultry, it was 44%, and 2 years ago, that was 21%. In the imported ones, 2 years ago, it was 11%. Now it is 31%. So gradually, resistance is growing, becoming a problem. We need to solve this before it is out of hand.